Okay, guys, we analyzed some of these assets yesterday, and the results of what we analyzed will shock you. Okay, so right here in this video, we will be checking out some of these assets one after the other, check out how they are playing out, and we will also be discussing more on what we should look out for right from here. Okay, we want to know if we should still keep on holding, or probably we should look out for something else. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course you can also join my Telegram channel for some of my free signals, which I usually drop down there. Okay, it is 100% free. And of course, guys, if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Okay, if you have any question, drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. So we actually analyzed some of these assets yesterday, and of course we're going to see how they all play out at the end of the day. Let's start with GainX 1200. Don't worry, I will also explain to you, I will use the opportunity to explain to you the same strategy which I used to generate those signals we pushed out yesterday. If you remember a few days ago, when this was on downtrend, it was actually on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, so it took so many days before the trend actually came to an end. Okay, so this got to the support region a few days ago, and of course took its time to play around there, even went back to that support zone. And I told you, if it breaks out from here successfully, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. And as we can see, it was unable to break out from there, and of course it switched back into an uptrend. And how do I know that it has switched back into an uptrend? You can see from red to yellow color, so which means from downtrend into an uptrend, and it broke out from the last high, and of course it is still buying at the moment. So congratulations to those of you that actually follow this signal. So this has actually given us a lot of profit, because this is on it is on 15-minute time frame, and as we can see, this has actually given us about 26,628 points. That's amazing, guys. Now let's move on to GainX 999. Okay, hope you are getting how I'm able to generate the signals. Okay, so if we remember very well, right here we actually picked up this support region and waited for it to switch from a downtrend to an uptrend, and I gave out this signal a few days ago, and of course this actually got to the resistance zone. And when I noticed this pullback yesterday, I said if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go fully into a downtrend. And as you can see, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and of course it also gave us a sell signal, a single sell signal, guys. And of course this is giving us a lot of profit at the moment. Okay, so as you can see, the trend trading strategy is really working out. This has given us 31,073 points already, and of course this is heading towards this. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will also switch back. Okay, so we expect this to get to this region, so watch out for that. Now let's move on, guys. And of course, guys, if you're already in profit, also use your stop loss to trail it down till it gets to this region. You need to be well guided. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's move on to PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200, and this started an uptrend 2 days ago, and it started from here. There are major pullbacks in between. That's why the movement was a bit slow. And of course, guys, it has achieved all our TPs, but yesterday I was expecting it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so it is yet to get there. So definitely it is heading towards there. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should expect more buying opportunity right from there, except if the market goes wrong. That is when it will not buy again. Okay, but for now it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So as you can see, trend trading strategy is still the best. Okay, now let's move on to PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999, and this is very, very important. Okay, So as we can see, this has been on uptrend. There are major pullbacks in between, and it has gotten to this resistance. It was unable to break out from there. So it started a downtrend yesterday, and of course, it went as far as getting to this support zone. And right from there, it had a pullback, and it was unable to break out above that. If you should notice, this actually got to the same resistance zone at this point, and it has gotten there around here too. So it has not been able to break out from there. And if you should study the chart, this is giving us a kind of head and shoulder pattern, okay, which means that this is going to sell. So we expect this to sell at least to get to this region first. This is very, very important. And if it should break out from here, if it should break out from here, then definitely it is coming down here, okay, so we should take note of that. So we are expecting more selling opportunity right from this particular chart, okay, so we should take note of that and take advantage of the assets right from there. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. These actually got to this resistance zone and it was unable to break out above it. So it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, gave us a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is actually moving towards this direction. Okay, let me pull this back this direction. If it should break out from here, then it's still going to sell more, just the way we can see these guys. If it should break out from here, so I expect it to still sell more, but first it needs to get to this region, and of course once it breaks out from here, it should get to this point, and we have done today, so that you will have a clear picture of what we have just discussed today. Okay, so like I said, I made use of this same strategy to analyze the markets yesterday, gave us signals, and of course everything played out just the way we have predicted. Okay, and of course guys, how did it happen and what are the things that we have actually seen before we are able to come up with the signals? Number one, we apply the same strategy we've been applying, which is trend trading strategy. So which means we only follow the trend, okay? And of course, most especially when we notice that the trend is just switching from one trend to another at a specific region, then definitely this actually gives us more assurance. And in order for us to be more confident within the market, we all just need to set up our order following the trend signal, and of course we also set up our stop loss in order to secure our capital. And of course guys, once it plays out our way, we'll be in big profit and we can trail down our profit till the end of the trend. It is as simple as that. So what have we been doing? Okay, we first of all identify when the trend is going to change. This usually change from a major support or resistance zone. So which means the support and resistance zones are very, very important also. Okay, so once we are able to identify the major ones, then we are good to go. Now, how have we been doing it? Okay, right here is the resistance zone and it's a major one. So if it is finding difficult to break out above it, then definitely we should expect a change in direction of the trend. And as you can see, it switched from a yellow color into a red color at this point. Yellow color signifies that the market is on uptrend, and red color signifies that the market is on downtrend. Okay, so and of course the only signal we should focus on right here is just the sell signal, and of course this actually gave us a lot of profit at the end of the day. So that is how easy it is, and you all can also practice it from your end. If you're having this indicator, it will help you to analyze better. If you are not having and you have a way of knowing or identifying the trends or when the trend is switching, and of course how you can identify your support and resistance zone, you can still use the same strategy and use it to milk the market. Okay, so just practice very well on your demo account. You are able to perfect this strategy, then you can now go over to your real account and try it out, and you're going to see how beautiful your trade will turn out. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, and of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God